It's 4:30 in the morning and I am leaving again, going north. It's actually pretty cold, but anyway. Okay, leaving port. Bye bye Rudkøbing. And soon the sun will rise. Now I've been sailing for 7 hours, and it has been a perfect wind and everything, the current and wind and everything. But now it's turned, so now it's in my nose. But Romsø in 7 hours, that's good from Rudkøbing. So now engine and a flappy main because it's into the wind. And I have to go about 7 hours that way. Lots and lots of other sailors. Could wonder why a guy like that are going in between all our sailboats instead of going a little further out. That's another kind of an idiot, you could say. Here's the lighthouse on the south tip of Samsø, the little island in the middle of Denmark. And right over here is the harbor called Kolbykås, but I want to go a step further to Mårup Harbor on the north part of the island. And now there's no wind at all. So it's main and engine. That's okay, because I'm starting to getting a little tired. And there is some weather out here coming. Yeah, maybe it's coming where I go, I don't know. It looks like I'm lucky not to get into those swells. I guess I'm on the lucky side. Because it looks a lot like rain over there. Coming into Mårup Port Harbor in a short while.
Nej, jeg vil ikke. Ja.